This is the exact social media content plan that I personally use to help me build a six-figure business. So in this video, I'm going to show you my content multiplier method for easy content creation, my profit pathway system to help you get more views, and my social amplifier framework to help you appear everywhere online. I'm Andy Griffith, the owner of SoloLink. We're an automation and AI company, and I work with multiple small business owners and even associations, and we help them get more done in even less time. First things first, I didn't just post random content every single day or wake up going, oh, what should I post today? I don't know if that sounds familiar, but I feel like that's what a lot of us start out doing, but that's not what you need to do to actually see results. Instead, what I did is I started to make intentional content, things that I knew that my audience was searching for. If you're wondering what that is, think about the questions that they ask you when you're having those meetings or having the conversations. That's also probably what's being searched online by people you're not in front of. So you can be found during search, but also when you get asked questions, you can point people back to the content you've actually already created. So what we did is then applied the content multiplier method to that. And what does that mean is we make one strategic piece of content in video format. And then what we do is we pull pieces of that to turn it into multiple assets that we can put on social media. How we do that is think making one long form video that then can turn into a thumbnail to post on social media, a video to put on YouTube, which is a search engine, but you also pull clips from that video that become reels and shorts to put across whether it's Facebook, Instagram, or even YouTube, and you can also use that inside of a newsletter as well. So the multiplier framework is essentially making one piece of content that becomes multiple assets that you can use at your disposal. Now, if you're already finding this video of value, make sure you hit subscribe so you don't miss out on any additional game-changing content that helps you as a business owner. Now, before I share details about the profit pathway system, I want to make a very key point to you here. You do not own your social media accounts. It's a great platform for you to gain exposure and your reach, but here's the thing, you actually don't control your reach. You do not control the algorithm, and your profile could be deleted at any time. Me personally, a few years back, I actually had my Facebook account deleted, and to this day, I still don't even really know why it happened. I'm not a very polarizing person online, but for whatever reason, I don't have that account anymore. Now I am back on Facebook, but the fact is that was a great eye-opener realization that if I didn't have a profit pathway system in place, that could have really devastated my business. So what is a profit pathway system? Essentially, it's your email marketing. It's a system in place that allows you to continue to communicate with the audience you serve, because even though you don't own social media, you do own your email list. So when that event happened, I was still able to reach out, make a connection, and let them know where they could find me, not just from that event, but on an ongoing basis for my business. Now, if you're like how I used to be, you might be thinking to yourself, I already don't have enough time. How am I gonna be able to appear everywhere online? I already don't feel like I have enough hours in the day, let alone the week. So how can I be online everywhere? That is why you need a social media scheduler, i.e. the social amplifier framework, because what it allows you to do is spend 1 to maybe 2 hours a week where you can batch your time and schedule content to go out across a multitude of platforms, whether it's Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn. Instead of contact switching between those apps, you sit down in one platform to schedule your content out so you appear everywhere in as little as 1 to 2 hours a week. So now that you've learned about the content multiplier method that allows you to turn one piece of content into many, and the profit pathway system that allows you to stay in touch with those that you serve, and the social amplifier framework that helps you appear everywhere online with as little as 1 to 2 hours a week, you now have the exact playbook that I personally use to build a six-figure business. If you'd like to learn more tools, techniques, and tactics like this, subscribe to our channel. If you want to see how you can implement these same processes into your business, I invite you to take a look at what we're doing at sololink.io.